In this question number 7 of exercise 2.2, let us find the value of length. Now here, length is given 3 more than twice its breadth. What is 3 more? 3 more is plus 3. Now, what is twice its breadth or twice its width? It means 2 into width. Now, let the value of width, let the width of the rectangle be x centimeter. Now, I write it down, the statement. Let the width of the rectangle be x centimeter. Now, what will be the length of the rectangle? Length will be, as we see, length is given 2 times x plus 3. Now, more information is given, that is perimeter. We know perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 into L plus B. Putting the values, perimeter is given 24 in the question and 2 as it is, value of L is 2x plus 3 and value of B is x. So, solving further, we get 3x plus 3. Yes. Now, 24 is the perimeter divided by 2, we get 24 upon 2 is equal to 3x plus 3. That is 3x plus 3 is equal to 12. Now, finding the value of x further, we get 3x is equal to 12 minus 3, 3x is equal to 9. X is equal to 9 divided by 3. Therefore, x is equal to 3 centimeter. Now, we put this value of x into the length. What is the length? Length we have assumed 2x plus 3. So, putting the value of x into 2x plus 3, we get 2 into bracket 3 plus 3 is equal to 6 plus 3 is equal to 9 centimeters. So, here we got both the length and the breadth. Now we solve similar question. Let the width of this rectangle be x centimeter. Therefore, length will be 2 more than 3x means 3x plus 2. Now, perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 into L plus B. Let us write this formula. Now, perimeter is given 36 and therefore putting the values of length and breadth we get this value, this equation. Let us solve it further. As we see, we get the value of x after solving this equation as 18 minus 2 is equal to 4x. Therefore, 16 is equal to 4x. Now, x is equal to 16 upon 4 is nothing but 4 centimeter. Putting this value of x into length is equal to 3x plus 2. Yes, 3x plus 2. 3 into bracket 4 plus 2 is 12 plus 2 is equal to 14 centimeter. Now, on the screen, you can see a practice question is given. You have to solve this equation. Let the width be x centimeter. So, what will be the length? Read the question and find out the answer. Comment it into the comment box.